In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to access Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to hit Advanced. And scroll again to hit Auto-fill service from Google. Now hit Passwords here and tap on one of your passwords you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!